What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. It's your coach, Jimmy G, and here today we're gonna go over how to manage pain in our arm, okay? So if you have some restrictions in your arm, or if you're having some pain and you're not able to perform in the gym like you once used to, and you are feeling fatigued, and every time you pick up a weight, it's just hurting. Today we're gonna go over a technique called self-myofascial release. We're going to use that technique to manipulate the tissues, get some blood flow back into our arms, and lower our chances of getting injured, lower our chances of getting injured again for the future. All you're gonna need is one thing. I'm gonna show you that in this video right now. What is up, guys? As promised, we're gonna do a quick fix for any arm pain that you are experiencing, okay? So all we're gonna use is the lacrosse ball, one simple technique. So in this next clip right here, I'm going to show you the muscle of the arms, right? You got your deltoid, and now I'm going to point to the bicep right here. As I hold frame, there is a line that separates our tricep and bicep. That is where we're going to attack the muscle fiber and the fascia with this lacrosse ball. As you can see, all we're going to do is we're going to place the lacrosse ball against the wall. When we place this, we're going to guide the lacrosse ball up and down that fascia line that separates the bicep and the tricep. It's going to be painful, as you can see from my face right now. What I want you to do is breathe through it, okay? And what we're gonna do, if you want more pressure, you're going to, as I point towards my hip, you're gonna step away from the wall. That's gonna give it more pressure. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna lean slowly into the ball. Notice my face. It's gonna be painful. Your goal, to explore all angles of the arm. As you see, I can go supination or pronation, and you'll notice my bicep obviously activating in different angles. The closer you get to the tendon, which is going to be closer to that forearm flexor, the more pain and inflammation you're probably going to feel. As you see from this back angle, I'm just exploring. I'm just moving it up and down, side to side. I'm bending at the knees. You'll see on this one right here, I'm close to that bicep tendon, right? I'm really just trying to dig into that crease, and to explore. A lot of tension is built up there from a lot of grabbing, holding, curling, clean and jerks, compound movements that are just boom, all that tension is just being shot up into the arm. And if we don't recover properly or do the right necessary things for the tissues to be healthy, we're eventually going to lock up the arm, and you are going to eventually have pain. Trust me, I have lived through it. That is why I can come to you with my experience and guide you guys with this. Again, as you see me bending the elbow, we're just going through range of motion. You want to curl, you want to engage and relax, Once you guys get off the wall, you're going to realize that the arm's going to probably feel a little bit lighter, and the mind to muscle connection is going to be a lot better. Like the muscles are going to glide easier. As you can see here on this frame on the right side, once you get some blood flow back into that arm, you're going to get more definition. I know it's hard to see here, but trust me, once you do both sides for about a minute, at least 2 to 3 times, you're going to feel the blood flow. You're going to feel the contraction deeper. So there you guys have it. It's a quick fix. Try it out. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your experiences. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please share them on the comment section and subscribe to the channel. This is one for the books, guys. I do believe that you should not just tear the body down, but also build it back up through self-myofascial release, the vibration release, ice baths, scraping. There's so many different techniques out there for you to try. I'm going to keep showing you guys a few quick fixes that you guys could do at the house, because I have a lot of clients that do this, that have pain, that live through pain, and they can't figure out why until you know, maybe I go in there and do a little bit of manual work or show them with one of those pieces of equipment. And so it's a beautiful thing to live pain-free and pain managed, because we're always going to expose our body through stresses with our exercises. But as long as we are intentional and mindful of, okay, it's time to recover, then we can live a balanced, healthy lifestyle that we deserve, because no one deserves to be in pain. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Till the next one, comment, like, and subscribe. And much love, everybody. Peace.